All right, welcome back, everyone. I'm just popping back in here to show you something else I realized that I didn't know that you could do with the pullback feature that's in Design Gold. Jake was asking about this, and I thought, well, you know what? Since I found this, I would share it because I think he'll kind of get excited about this as well. All right, let's take a look at it. All right, so I'm back over here. Let's go to our front view. And all we're going to do, we're going to take this curve simple and we'll go somewhere over here. Maybe something like that. I don't know if you guys noticed, but my video recorder, for some reason, is not liking the clicking. So I'll have to resolve that for future stuff. So, anyways, okay. So here we have these control points out here. I'm going to turn those off now. We're going to go to perspective and let's draw a circle. We'll go from F4 and like 4 millimeters is enough. And then we'll grab the exact same example so we know we're doing the exact same thing. Go to solids. We're going to do an, let's see here, object on curve. And I'm going to use that exact same piece, which was this. It's what we chose in the last video. All right, so let's take a look here. Oh, that's right. We need to orient that down, just like so. And let's see here. We'll make these a little bit bigger. We'll bring these around, increasing our count. And we'll bring these in closer. Oh, that's the roll. Sorry about that, guys. Grab the wrong thing. Let's make it like about there. Okay, so now if we go back to our front view again, so what I discovered was I was thinking that you actually needed a surface in order to place this object on using that pull feature here in Design Gold. And lo and behold, that's not the case at all. So if we actually select this, and we're going to do this this projection, and we're going to say, okay, our target object is going to be this guy. And let's see here. I want to turn our snaps off because I want to get in here, and we'll get this pretty much centered here. I'm going to select there, and I'm going to select right here, and call that good. And we'll shade that so you can see it. What do you think of that? That's pretty slick, huh? So not only does it not have to be a surface, you can just simply put a curve out there and bend this thing, the way that you want it. Now, I haven't done this yet, but let's try this. So let's turn on our control points, F10. Okay, and I'm going to do this. What do you think of that, guys? All right. Now I'm going to take and grab this. And look at that. Going to give it more of a belly. And notice that, oh, I had to wait for it to catch up there. Look how it's following along. Now, is that slick or what? So that's something else we discovered here tonight. Because honestly, I didn't play with that before. So with history, as long as we don't make a change to this curve, it's going to keep updating. So let's see how, if we rotate this, and let's take this up at a steeper angle. Now, what's going to happen if you go to a steeper angle? Because if you look here, what it's doing is projecting straight up. So what's going to happen is when we actually go to the perspective view and look at this, it's going to be slightly stretched. So in a case like that, I think you can just simply edit this by just simply squishing it a bit. And it's the same thing I do when you do flow along surface. And yeah, sure enough, see, look at that. It rounded it out pretty nice. Here, watch. We'll undo it. See? And we hit redo again, and look at that. So now it's more similar to the original. Anyways, so there you go. Um, another tip for tonight. Oh, so I grabbed that part, so it broke history. Anyways, so there's another real quick tip for you. What design gold can do, and I'm going to be using that one myself quite a bit. Anyways, I will catch up to you guys later.